Good morning students, welcome back in module 2 of chapter number 3 of civics, that is government. Dear students, in the previous module we have learned about meaning of the government and types of government. In this module we will study about the need for government, functions of a government and features of a democracy. So now let's further proceed the need for government. In any society, the interest and problems of vast number of its members cannot be the same. In a such situation, government can be right so to restore law and order, to ensure cooperation among the people, to make collective decisions and to get things done. A need for a political organization was felt. This political organization is known as the government. Now, let's further proceed. What are the functions of a government? The government affects our daily life in many ways. It ensures to force law and order among the people. It helps providing the boundaries. It helps protects the boundaries, external and internal as well. Undertake relief measures in such case of natural disaster like earthquake and tsunamis. Then let's further move features of a democracy. So there are many features of a democracy like rule by the people. Democracy is a rule by the people. The basic idea of a democracy is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Next, representative democracy. At present, democracy is usually meant as a representative democracy. This is because people do not participate directly in the government but choose their representatives through an election process. Now, the next is universal adult franchise. It means that all adults in the country are allowed to vote. This is an essential feature of a democracy. Now, let's further discuss some levels of the government. So, since the government has to do a variety of jobs, it works at different levels. Like local level, it works in a village, town, locality is known as local government. Then state level. The government at the state level is called the state government. This government deals with the issues related to an entire state. Then the national level. The government is at the national level is known as national government, or you can say central government. It deals with the issues related to the entire country. For example, Indian government. That's all for today. Thank you and have a